Some people really like a few tourists here. Surfers coming up now, very popular. Very popular in here. Okay, it's afternoon. I'm back here at Suluban now. It's approaching high tide. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's very early in the morning. I'm here in the Uluwatu area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a place called Suluban Beach. So my reasoning for being here in Uluwatu so early in the morning at Suluban is because I want to take the opportunity to show you a low and high tide here at Suluban, because it is going to make a big difference to your overall experience of what you have here at Suluban Beach. So first of all, this morning I'm going to start off by showing you the low tide. Now during low tide you're going to have access to beaches through the rocks, so I'm going to take you and show you those. I'm also going to take the drone up and give you footage of the beautiful beach locations here at Suluban, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be coming back at around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, which is going to be the high tide, and show you the drastic difference a few hours can really make to this beach location here in Uluwatu. So some additional information, Suluban Beach can also be known as Blue Point Beach. If you're using Google Maps and you want to start at the point that I'm going to be starting today's video from, you need to input Blue Point Beach into Google Maps. If you do put Suluban Beach, it will take you to a different parking location. You will still arrive at the same destination, Suluban Beach, but it'll be different than what's going to be featured in today's video. So also here at Suluban, you're going to find a great collection of restaurants and warungs available overlooking the ocean here. One of the most popular ones here is going to be Single Fin. I'm going to take you in all of the restaurants and warungs and places as I'm descending down to Suluban Beach, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this beautiful beach location here in Uluwatu. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Suluban Beach. Okay, so here I am. I've arrived at Suluban Beach, also known on Google Maps and Google as Blue Point Beach. So do remember the two names, because it is important. If you put Suluban Beach, it'll take you to a different location, and this will still be Suluban Beach, just a different parking area. So you have parking for cars and motorbike. There is transportation and guys offering you taxis and things as well in this direction. You see lots of people with surfboards here. Some shops as well. Quicksilver. Stop littering. And the gelato factory there in the back. Some people coming up from the beach already. Some more surfwear shops and things there as well. I think the first place is going to be Single Fin. There's quite a few restaurants and things here, all quite high-end. Single Fin, I think, is the most luxurious one. It's here. Just a name, Single Fin. So coffee counter area. Single Fin. Lots of tourists here. Beautiful view overlooking the ocean down below there. Beautiful inside seating area also. It's really good for the camera, keep going in and out, changing light. And just in the back here is where the swimming pool is. Seating areas here. There's a swimming pool area here in the back. Some people relaxing on the sun lounges there. Wow, so beautiful. Have a little shallow pool just for bathing here, 0.8 meters deep. Just over here we have some different seating areas if you're a big group. Just in the back there. There's another angle on your swimming pool. So nice. Okay, just coming out of Single Fin now, we'll continue down. You can see there's quite a few tourists here. Surfers coming up now. Already been doing surfing. Lolitas is the next restaurant down here. So you have shops, restaurants. Oh no, the next one is Island Brewing. It's just to the left here. Uluwatu. Also, they're in this direction. Let's just go and take a look. Might as well take them all in. It's okay, yeah? Oh, is it? Is this a restaurant, yeah? There's restaurants down some steps here. Terraza, Uluwatu. Wow, look at this. Very, very beautiful. Hello, just making a video, brother, yeah? Beautiful seating area here. Wow, look at that. Beautiful views again, overlooking the ocean. Surfers in the ocean there. So, so beautiful. Got an upstairs seating area there as well if you want to be higher. Nice. Okay, so just from 2 restaurants there. A little shop here and a tattoo studio also. Tattoo cheaper is in here. We have Lolitas here. Doesn't appear to be open yet, this. They've got the barrier across, so they're not set up yet. Just give you a look inside. Looks as though they're just 12 to 8 p.m. I have to go down the stairs again. Another little place here. Wow. The views are amazing. Just looking out there into the ocean. Just from that one there, continue walking. So you can see we've got quite a few restaurants. Soraya Cafe Uluwatu here. This is an inside seating area but with big windows again overlooking the ocean. Very, very nice. These are probably going to be a little bit more cheaper than single fin. It'll be the most expensive here. Another one up there as well. Gates are closed. I can see some people in. Uluwatu Magic. Sarongs, t-shirts, caps. Wow, look at that. Some seating areas here. Best 7 warung. We have a big warung here. Oh, this is very, very popular. Very, very popular in here. Lots of tourists in this one. People doing photography. People sat up there, so it's a collection of warungs, this. Many. Just coming down out of that one, we have more down below here. People sat everywhere here. So many cafes, restaurants, warungs. A very popular one here as well. Many tourists in here, I see. Let's keep walking. Collection of shops here, t-shirts, sarongs, hats, caps, bracelets, necklaces. All your typical tourist goods that you see on the street. Some of the bracelets and necklaces and things there. Bintang caps, Uluwatu caps. Surfers coming up now. There's quite a few businesses also empty as well here. Another shop here. Have stairways up and everywhere. I say, some places are closed. Maybe this is surfboard rentals, some surfboards and things in there. Some more shops up along the top here. More restaurants and things as well up there. Looks so he's having his surfboard repaired there. And now this is where we're going to go down to, so there's lots of surfboard rental places here. And here. Here. And people going down. And we're going to head down the steps to Suluban Beach. Some tricky steps leading down to the beach. There used to be a sign there saying Suluban Beach. It's gone now. This way leads you up to the restaurant and the swimming pool. Here we are at Suluban Beach. So mainly surfers around at this time. Surfers going out there now with the boards. Okay, so just at the back of the beach here, if you want to go to one of the little beach locations in the back here, you need to cut through this area here. Just to get a little bit low here. Here we are, you have your own little secret beach. Beautiful beach location here. This should be all by yourself. There's some nice little areas under the rocks there to sit and relax in. Very, very beautiful. Okay, we'll give you a view of this beautiful beach location now here at Suluban. This is only available during low tide. Please do remember that. There's the beach now. This is the beach I'm stood on here. Beautiful clean ocean. Beautiful rock formations. Let's just take you down a little bit here so you can have a look down the bottom. Lots of secret little secluded beach locations if you want to be alone. Look at how clear the ocean is. Wow. Let's look around the corner. How beautiful is that? Wow. There's a full close-up view of the beach. There's an even closer view. How beautiful is that? Wow. Okay, it's afternoon. I'm back here at Suluban now. It's approaching high tide, so it's quite busy with visitors now. Seeing a few Indonesians here now. This morning it was mostly Western. Not sure whether they're all Western visitors, but Western anyway. You can see the ocean now. The beach at the front there is gone. Waves now. Interesting. Some surfers going out. It's just coming back in here now. Enjoying high tide. The ocean's so rough now. There's a full high tide. Wow. Lady just got brushed against the rocks there. So strong. See the ocean now coming right up to the edge of the steps here. People seem to be enjoying playing in it. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit here to Suluban Beach here in Uluwatu. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, what an absolutely splendid, magnificent experience this place really is going to offer for anyone taking the time out to come and visit this place. So I come here for the low tide and high tide. So morning started off by showing you around. You can see there's quite a good collection of restaurants also available, open for breakfast, lunch and dinner here at Suluban. And then I took you down to the beach. So you saw during low tide you can go down to the beach, some beautiful rocks and things down there. Not as busy in the morning as the higher tide, but nonetheless still quite a few people. Very popular with surfers out in the ocean there. I think they're coming at all times of day. But as you saw, snuck under the rocks and to the left, and you had the beautiful big beach location there. You can only get access to that at low tide. And then I come back in the afternoon. Oh boy, what a transformation that really was. So you saw the high tide, no beach access during high tide. It was more busy at high tide. I think it's because of the experience, a very unique experience that you have at high tide. Everyone seemed to be enjoying themselves with the waves. Even some people were getting bashed against the rocks, but they didn't seem to care. They was just having a good time. All in all, I think Suluban Blue Point Beach is going to offer you an out of this world experience, and I highly advise that you take the time out to visit this place during your holiday stay here in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.